Mayong adlaw mga kahigalan, ako si Chokoy of Wandering Cuisina. So we are here sa Wagyu Station Cafe dito sa Sheikh Zayed Festival sa Al Watma, Abu Dhabi. At today's Mondays, we do have some few orders. So andito si Rose.
Hello!
And si Jonathan. So dalawang tao natin sa kitchen for today's video, for today na Monday. And meron tayong order. Yan yung order, that's Wagyu Ramen, dalawa, at saka isang chef's cut na well done daw. Then, I'm going to show you a bit of how they're preparing this. So, si Rose yung gumagawa na ngayon ng ramen, and si Jonathan naman ang gumagawa sa chef's cut. So, this is our chef's cut, those are rib eye. So, once matapos ito, ipapakita namin sa iyo kung paano siniset up yung Wagyu ramen natin at ipapakita namin kung paano i-prepare yung chef's cut, paano presentation niya. Now, na-prepare si Rose ng bok choy for the ramen. Prepare siya ng bok choy for... Yes. Yes, this is our creamy ramen. So, kakaiba yung ramen namin, guys. So, meron siyang Wagyu beef talaga. There. Habang nagbabalat ka ng itlog, ano ang Pasko?
Malungkot na masaya. Layo ka sa pamilya. Pero may mga kasama ka naman ibang family dito. Pero syempre, iba pa rin yung pamilya.
So, medyo malasado yung loob. And you've got a few onions. Talagyan natin ng scallions or onion rings. Okay. Yan naman ang chef's cut natin na rib eye. So Jonathan, para sa iyo, ano ang Pasko?
Malungkot na masaya.
First time ni Jonathan dito.
First time kong mawalay sa aking anak.
Malungkot na masaya kahit nandiyan yung asawa mo.
Oo, kasi wala yung anak.
So this is how we prepares the rib eye, guys. And si Rose mo naglalagay ngayon ng nori sa ramen. And then a few sesame seeds. And then these are sesame oil.
Down.
And this is the truffle mushroom sauce. And let's serve it. Yan. Dalawang ramen. That's Joy. Hi Joy. Say hi to the vlog. Alright. And that's Aling Maliit. So that's a quick one. So yun mga ka-wonders, that's how we prepare some of our dishes here. So thank you for watching. Ako si Chokoy of Wandering Cuisina on behalf of Chef Mark and the rest of the Wagyu Station Cafe. Stay cool, stay safe, stay blessed, and peace. Merry Christmas everyone.